the best birthdays aren't the loudest ones. They are the peaceful ones. Today is my day, my birthday. And for this year's celebration, we're spending it here at Cozy Cabin by Chris J. A simple staycation with the people I love the most. Pagdating namin, nag-ayos na agad kami para sa dinner. At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang birthday celebration kung walang birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey.
Picture time. Pero kung pinakamaganda, wala doon.
Wow!
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Yay! Let's go, let's eat.
Simple lang pero punong-puno ng tawanan, masasayang kwentuhan at konting video okay. After celebrating and kumain, diretso na kami sa pool. Hindi na kasi makapag-intay itong mga pinsan ko. And honestly, ganun din naman ako. By the way, if you're looking for a cozy place to stay, check out Cozy Cabin by Chris J. Ilalagay ko ang page nila sa comment section.
Time-lapse ata yan? Hindi, video yan. Ang ganda ko. Oy, minimizer voice.
As I grow older, I realized that birthdays aren't about having the biggest celebration. They're about slowing down, being present, appreciating the people around you, and finding joy in the simplest moments. Mas mahalaga ang oras at pagkakataon na makasama ang pamilya because these are the moments you'll always remember.
Hi, bro!
Oh.
Say hi.
Tamang patuyo lang ng buhok. Tagal natin yung buhok.
After kong magbanlaw, ang mga pinsan ko tuloy pa rin sa swimming at habang nasa pool, nanonood pa sila ng Barbie.
Masabay ako. Magaling ako kumanta.
Wow!
And pull light on the outside, but when I get the chance, I run and I hide. Okay guys, reaction video. Reaction.
Walang special.
Hi.
Ganda ko. Hello guys, patutulog na kami.
Ano na bukas?
Roommates. I-video natin sila. As the day came to an end, nagpahinga na rin kaming lahat. Tahimik, payapa, a heart full of gratitude, and a mind filled with the beautiful memories.
Good morning everyone! Gising na sila.
Maaga pa lang, gising na kaming lahat. Nagligpit na agad kami ng mga gamit para handa na sa check-out. Pero bago umuwi, sinulit muna namin ang pool. Si mama naman nauna nang maligo kasi hindi siya naligo kagabi dahil malamig daw. Kaya ngayon siya bumawi. Kung tatanungin ako kung anong paborito kong parte sa celebration na to, it's seeing everyone genuinely happy. Yung mga pinsan ko, si mama at papa at kuya, and all the little moments in between that no camera could ever fully capture. Another year older, another year of God's faithfulness. Thank you, Lord, for another year of life, for good health, for family, and for the moments like these that remind me how blessed I truly am. But before heading home, picture daw muna si mama. And of course, hindi pwedeng walang TikTok. So, here's a little behind the scene of our attempts.
Yon! O, go next! Nauntog. Yon, next naman! Ano ba? Ang dining ni Sumuhinyo, yan.
Wala ako! Wait lang!
You're the best song ever!
Ganun sa taas.
7 na pala.
So, ganyan.
Uy, bakit may ganun? Bakit may ganun? Hindi yan matatapos.
Digidang, digiding.
Walang
Pag
katapusan.
ako pinili
Uy, dali
mo,
na, picture na.
manananananantan, sinda. Pag ako pinili nananananananantan, ganda.
Yan. Hindi na sa ilalim lyrics.
Mulat na. Pag ako pinili mo, nananantan para lang sa'yo.
First.
Tara na.
Lang.
And just like that, it's time to go home. Thank you so much for spending this special day with me.
Hey guys.
Akala ko doon na natapos ang birthday celebrations. Pero may pahabol pa pala. After ng practice namin sa church, may munting surprise na inihanda ang mga kabataan. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it. It's funny how the simplest gesture can leave the biggest mark on your heart. Thank you guys for making me feel seen, celebrated, and loved.
Every birthday ko, lagi kayo may pa-surprise. Ang ginapanda sa akin na I appreciate it.
Happy lang.
Since it's the first Sunday of the month, meron kaming discipleship with Ate Christy. And yes, another surprise. At that moment, I couldn't help but smile because sometimes God expresses His love through the people He places around us. Looking back, this birthday wasn't just about the staycation. It wasn't just about the cake, the gifts, or the surprises. It was about realizing how blessed I am to be surrounded by family, by my friends, by church family, by people who chose to celebrate life with me. I felt so much love in ways I never expected. And for that, I'll always be grateful. Thank you, Lord, for another year of life. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!
Birthday.